Home Show.
Reese from Copperfield in Houston has a question about a home inspection.
Well, he's looking to buy one, Tom. And Reese writes to us, I'm thinking about purchasing a home built in 1975 over in College Station. The home appears to be in pretty good shape, and specific issues with that. Are there any specific issues with a home of that vintage, he says, they should look at? I think, Tom, what he's thinking about is plumbing, electrical, things like that.
Oh, I understand. And 75, it could have galvanized pipe. It could have an older breaker panel that's been it's recommended to change out now. Your home inspector should take care of that on the inspection report. But I always say this about homes, and this is important to me. If you get a home from someone who maintains it, doesn't necessarily have to make it all modern and fancy, but just maintains everything, keeps it clean. When something's broken, gets it fixed, follows the rules, like with electricity. If you have an electrical problem, you have an electrician fix it properly, those kind of things. Usually you're fine. You don't have any real issues unless you want to upgrade. Put in a generator system, put in some new, higher, I shouldn't say higher, but a larger electrical service to handle more of your IT fun stuff that you're going to be putting in your home, and your doorbells and all that, because today you can go crazy with that, or add a swimming pool. But besides that, you shouldn't have to worry too much. The inspection report, if you get a good inspection report, will tell you what really is the problem. Don't get into this. It's not up to code. It's not going to be up to code. Codes change sometimes every year. So don't even go there, because you're not going to go to that point. And nobody would ever bring a house up to code as long as it's safe and it was a code at the time it was built, if it even existed. So I think it's all about the home you buy and who you buy it from. And as Charlie knows, we get questions here about people that says things like, we just bought this home and we have these cracks here and the wall is separating here. And you're thinking, why did you buy that home? And it could have been a home in 1984 or 92, because you got to be careful on what you buy. So if it's maintained well, it's a good home. 1975, as far as I'm concerned, is a very good year.
Yeah, and you got a bunch of Aggies up there. They're probably building the house in a good way, too.
I did not say that.
I did.
I'm not going Aggie way.
I don't think, no. They make doctors.
And don't give me that I'm married to one. I'm allowed to do Aggie jokes. I think that's very poor taste.
I'm not making an Aggie joke. I'm being dead serious. I'm dead serious. I mean, the best engineers are Aggies, and they're building houses. I mean, look at Jeff Roberts at Trifection. He's an Aggie, and I'm like, I wouldn't trust anybody else to remodel my house. So is his partner, Jeff Reyna. They're the
other
fighting
Jeff.
Aggie remodelers, yeah. So no, I'm deadly serious. And I have a lot of respect for that. Yeah, no. If it's a lawyer you want,
good. I thought you were going into the Aggie joke stuff.
No, if you want a lawyer, you go up to Austin. They crank them out over there. So, all right. And Tom cranks out answers. We post a new one every day at HomeShowRadio.com. Did you get yours? And click on that blue Ask Tom button. It'll take you to this page where you can send us your questions, your pictures, your hopes, your dreams, and videos. And Tom will take them out, splay them out across the table, and figure out an answer. And we'll post a video with it right here at HomeShowRadio.com, or maybe right here on Facebook or right here on YouTube, depending on where you're seeing this.